Hello you beautiful people and welcome to today's video. Today I want to give you 5 things or 5 ideas to draw when you don't know what to draw. Because recently I've received several comments over on several social media platforms that people are saying to me, oh well, you filled so many sketchbooks and I've never filled one. So I'm gonna give you some tips on what to draw on your sketchbooks. And another thing I want to mention is that it doesn't really matter if you draw on a sketchbook or if you draw on loose sheets of paper. The important thing is that you draw and you keep drawing and keep practicing. That's the only thing that counts. It doesn't matter where you do it or on what paper you do it. It just matters that you do at all. So let's get right into it. And the first thing I'm drawing is something that brings me comfort and something that I'm already kind of decent at, and that's my OC. And the tip is draw something that you're comfortable with and something that you like drawing, because while it is important to leave our comfort zone from time to time and to dabble in new things and learn new things and improve on new things, it is also important that we don't always do that and just draw things that make us happy. Like, it can be your own character, it can be like things you enjoy. Like, maybe you're a landscape person that likes drawing landscapes, so draw your landscape. I think, like, it doesn't matter what you draw all the time, it matters that you practice, as I already said. And for me, that's Leslie right now, my character. And it does not really matter that you draw like one thing over and over again. It's not bad that you want to do that, maybe. It's just a matter like of practicing. Just keep drawing. Doesn't matter. You don't have to draw a masterpiece every time. Just draw what makes you happy, at least from time to time, and you will see that you are a lot more motivated to draw. The second thing I wanna suggest is draw something from the room you're in, or something from your surrounding. Maybe you're at a park, maybe you're like waiting for your bus, and there has to be something around you, at least a trash can. You can draw whatever is like in your surroundings, and you can remember that. Maybe you have like nothing around you and you're sitting in an empty void, but if you're able to draw, you at least have some pens and your sketchbook, so you could also just take out a pen and draw that pen. And it does not have to be like this amazing photorealistic copy of the thing you're holding or you're looking at. It just has to be like a drawing of it, a little doodle. It doesn't have to look good. It doesn't have to be like a super duper amazing drawing. It can just be a doodle of what you're looking at. And that also is practice. That's practice of like looking at your surroundings and drawing it. So it's just easy as that. I choose this little safety pin bat thing that I have on my desktop my wife gave to me, and it's so cute. It's really cute. I really like it, and so I drew that. And as you can clearly see, it's not photorealistic because I'm not good at that. I can't draw that because I have not like hardcore practicing photorealistic drawing, and because it's not that fun to me. But I just did a little pencil doodle and put some watercolors on that. So there's that. My third tip is draw self-portrait. Draw yourself. I personally really enjoy drawing these little comic cartoon selfies because I also use my sketchbook as kind of a little diary sometimes. So these are very, very good for that. Of course, if you are a realistic artist, you can draw a self-portrait from a photo, or you can put a mirror in front of you, or whatever you like. But self-portraits are always like fun. I really find them fun. And if you don't like drawing humans, you can also just use a photo of your pet or a friend's pet, or you can just look up animal pictures on Pinterest and draw those draw those as cartoon animals if you like. Just yeah, it's just drawing a portrait what you could do. So yeah, that's the tip for that one. You can do a self-portrait, but you can also do a pet portrait if you like. But that's always fun to do for me personally. My fourth advice is just draw something that you did or that happened. As I previously mentioned, I use my sketchbook also as kind of a little diary, and that's always really fun to do if you don't really have an idea for an intricate sketch or a nice pose or something, because the situation you're drawing will give you ideas for a pose or for characters or for like people to draw into. And also it's really fun to look at it if you go back to your sketchbook at the end of the year or something, and then yeah, you can remember things that happen. May they be good or not that good. In my case, it was a nice little walk we took this morning. So that's the fourth tip. And the last tip I have for you is draw poses from dancing videos. And for that you will need a computer, or you will need a smartphone or a tablet. And I stumbled across that in some sketchbook tour, but I don't remember who it was that gave this advice, and I do that from time to time, and it's so much fun. You just look up like dancing videos. Often there are hip-hop dancing schools or courses that put videos to YouTube, like when they have competitions or something, or they want to show off new dance moves they have learned. They will have like videos up where they film their students or their teachers or whatever dancing, and I just mute them most of the time, because often when I do that I sit next to my wife and we're watching like YouTube videos or Netflix or something, and I just mute the audio and then I pause at random points in the video. Sometimes I just use a random point in the timeline, and I just draw a pose from there. That's just what I do. So it's a lot of fun. Sometimes you have like these really funny funny screenshots from that, and sometimes they are a bit blurry, but you will find a pose. I'm very sure you will find a pose. And yeah, that's all the tips I have for you right now. Please let me know down in the comment section if you found that helpful, and if you would like me to do some more videos like that with sketchbook tips and advice. Maybe you have some questions. You can also put them in the comments down below if you like, and I'm very happy to try and answer them as best as I can. And yeah, we see each other next time, and until we see each other, please do something that makes you happy. Bye!